Let's work on a high-speed pinball machine. I already got started before I started filming, but let me tell you what I've done so far. So the MPU would not boot correctly. It would say adjust failure on the displays. This is what it does whenever the batteries are dead. However, you should be able to manually go past that and get the game to boot regardless, and it won't let me do that. It just gives me the same error over and over. However, it would let me go and make adjustments. So I could turn on free play, and I could check out all of the displays, sounds, and everything seemed to work. The solenoids didn't, but I think I've got that figured out. One of the pop bumper coils is burnt and seized up, and so I'm sure that blows the solenoid fuse. I've clipped a wire, and I'm sure once I replace the fuse, all the rest of the solenoids will probably work fine. We've got the MPU on the bench. We're going to start by reflowing the pins on all the connectors, replacing this battery holder because the original batteries were pretty corroded. And there's also this burnt, exploded, missing transistor here that we're going to replace. It has nothing to do with why it won't boot, but it'd be nice to have. We performed the repairs and reinstalled the MPU, as well as replaced the two fuses for the solenoids. Let's power it on and see what happens. Well, the coil was stuck on, and that caused that to blow. I have a theory on why it gives me the adjustment failure. Some of these options are set to things that they shouldn't be able to be set to. Perhaps if I set them to real values and try to reset it, it'll boot. My theory was correct. By changing those settings, it correctly booted. And the game starts and plays. There's still a laundry list of things left to do with this. For one, that solenoid fuse blew. I believe that this coil was stuck on. That's the transistor we replaced, but there's more things in that circuit, so something else in there might be bad. We're also missing the lockdown bar for the glass. We need a rubber kit, an LED kit, thorough cleaning, and all that good stuff. So I'll get some parts ordered. Keep an eye out for part 2.